the prep zone. It's basketball time. Yeah, I know we're in the middle of, or not in the middle, in the late stages of the football playoffs. Mandeville in the semifinals, but tonight, Tuesday night before that game, we've got a big matchup. Two teams been in the playoffs the last few years, making strides. Always a big challenge when 4A Salmon comes to 5A Covington. We're going to have a playoff type game, and it's just the first game of the prep zone season. Covington takes on Salmon. Pre-game with Coach Mike Smith. Coach, before we get into the season, let's look back at Jack Callahan and give us a rundown on how he's doing at Spring Hill.
Jack, really proud of him. He's doing well. He's the last few games he played in, he had a double-double. He had 15 rebounds, 15 points. The game before that, he scored 10. So he's doing real well.
Is he coming back to play tonight?
Yeah, I wish. I miss him.
All right, Coach. First time we're having you this season. Big matchup. We picked this because both of y'all been in the playoffs the last few years, so we know it's going to be a good game. Looks quick eyeball test tells me you got a little height on them. Yeah. Do you think that's going to work to your advantage?
I hope so. That's our game plan. I see they got somebody almost as tall. My big man is 6'8". So that's, you know, the ingredient that you need to get where we need to be. We're quick. We have some real quick guards. He does too. Of course, he's got Bell, the outside shooter. He's been averaging a lot of points per game, so he's going to definitely be an asset for them. So we have a couple things in store that we think we can take care of it.
2-1 on the season. Do you think everything's fallen in place for a good season at this point?
I think so. We got our football players out late, of course, and it takes a little while to get them back into the gel of how everything runs. But I think everything's falling in place. Be a big week for us with Salmon if we can beat them, and then we go to LSU U-High tournament this weekend. So it'll be a big week for us.
Pre-game with Coach Carlin. Coach, you got several players from the last couple of years. Before we talk about this year, I want to talk about how they're doing. T.J. Price, Kari Price. Give us the rundown.
Jared Harris and R.J. Scott, you know, all playing basketball along with the two you just mentioned. And then Jamal Robinson is playing football up at ULL, started from this year as a wide receiver. You know, they all had great high school careers. They were very, very important to what we got accomplished during their tenure in high school. And, you know, they reaping the benefits of free college education and opportunity to play college basketball, which well deserved.
Okay, Coach. The quick eyeball test says they're a lot taller than you are. How are you going to counteract that tonight?
Like some coaches say, they passed the eye test. So now, you know, we hope we can put some pressure on them and keep the ball in front of them and extend our defense a little bit and not make it a 5-on-5 game from the three-point line to the goal, because they do have the long kid inside. He's big, long, and you know, he presents problems. And they got some other guys, good athletes in the 6'2" range that look like they crash the boards and be very, very physical. So we hoping we can put some pressure on them and we make shots and get out in transition and score the basketball, and maybe we can outscore them.
What do you think the over-under on the amount of three-point shots you're going to have tonight?
I don't know. Our number's been pretty high lately, so we just hoping that, you know, we want to make sure it's a good shot, not a rush, not a hurry. You know, we're going to put it up from the three-point line if we open. We just got to make sure it's a good shot.
Pierre and Williams jump it up, and Salmon gets the tap. A pre-district matchup here between the Salmon Spartans and the Covington Lions. Eric Bell inside, poked away by Pierre. Layup on the other end, draws a foul. Dunaway fouled on the drive. Aaron Hall with the personal. And Matt Dunaway, a 5'11" senior. Makes the first one, will get a second. Rattles in the second one, and a 2-0 lead for the homestanding Lions. Full court pressure now by the Lions. 1-2, 1-1, full court break. Bell being trapped, goes cross court for Pack. Dumped off to Wilson, back to Pack, and this is Bell. And Eric Bell not afraid to shoot the trifecta, and he knocks one down here early, and a 3-2 lead for the Spartans. Inside pass and a blocking foul. Dwayne Williams with the personal. And Dunaway will inbound for the Lions. Quickly inside, up and in. Montel Chapman gets 2 off the glass, 4-3. Still full court pressure. Quickly down the other way. Williams with the drive draws the foul. Dwayne Williams will go to the line and shoot 2 for the Spartans. Both these teams have found their way. Miss on the first one by Dwayne. Have found themselves in the playoffs the last couple of years and won a few games. Williams hits on the second one, and we're tied at 4. Chapman down the left side, dribbles the ball off his leg out of bounds. So some pressure by the Spartans causes a turnover. And Mike Wilson inbounds to Joe Pack. Hall on the screen for Pack. This is Eric Bell, back to Pack. Thinks about it, second chance, knocks it down for 3. Brumfield, cross midcourt, in the lane, dumps it off to Nate Pierre, and Nate finishes. 7-6 Salmon, 6:18 to go, first quarter. That one's from downtown Covington by Mike Wilson, rattles out quickly the other way, Covington. Good defensive effort by Wilson there to knock away the ball. Pack brings it up. Wilson shoots it up, off the mark, rebound to Brister. Montel Chapman. Dunaway inside for Brister. Goes out of bounds. 7-6 Salmon. 5:41 to go, first quarter. A lot of up and down action early in this one. Joe Pack is going to bring it up. Under the pressure, up the sideline. Pack gets it back. Wilson, Pack catches the iron, rebound, Nate Pierre. Brumfield drops it off for Dunaway, and Dunaway knocks down the three-pointer. Dunaway's got 5. That quick shot by Corey Rudolph ties it up at 9 as we got a track meet going on up and down the field, up and down the court, I should say. Shot by Pierre off the mark, rebound, Aaron Hall the other way. 2-shot foul as Wilson was in the act of shooting. Pierre commits the personal foul. 4:44 to go, first quarter, and it's 9-9. Those numbers, 4-4-4, 9-9. You never know, it's early in the season. Does that mean anything? Knockdown? Obviously not. Wilson knocks down the first one. Just trying to make sure you're paying attention at home. Wilson, second shot. Good. 11-9. Spartans. Full court pressure by them. Dunaway dumps it down. Pierre Baseline, going to bring it back out. Dunaway off the mark. Rebound, Mike Wilson. Wilson, the smallest guy on the court, has a couple of rebounds. That shot by Corey Rudolph goes all the way around and then down. 13-9. Salmon. Steal coming. No, out of bounds. Joe Pack got his hand on the ball. So did Coach Carlin. But he's out of bounds. Out of bounds. So Covington's basketball. Dunaway to inbound. Brumfield. Mitch Brumfield walking it up left side. Crossover dribble. Dumps it inside. Turnaround shot by Montel Chapman is good. Chapman got 4 for the Lions. 13-11, 2-point lead by Salmon. Baseline drive, stolen by Dunaway. Up the court, foul by Bell on Mitch Brumfield. It's going to be inbounds, not in the act of shooting. 3:36 to go, first quarter. 2-point lead by the Spartans. Got a little bit of a track meet going on here early. Chapman off the mark, gets his own rebound. Great job of following his own shot, but he'll end up being fouled by Aaron Hall. Hall with 2 personal fouls in the first quarter. And Montel Chapman will go to the line to shoot 2. Chapman good on the first. We'll get a second. Chris Vickers checks in, and Aaron Hall checks out with 2 fouls. Chapman, second shot, in. Covington 4 for 4 from the line early, and we're tied at 13. Joe Pack gonna bring it up for the Spartans. Pack trying to go inside, and Brister, good defense. Cutting him off. Pack now driving, pulls up, Bell. Long shot by Bell, he pulled the trigger quick. Almost a rebound by Corey Rudolph, knocked away by stolen by Matt Dunaway, and that ball goes out of bounds off of Salmon, and Dunaway will inbound. Full court pressure by the Spartans. Dunaway, right up the court, crossover step was one too many. Matt Dunaway got caught in the air without a dribble. Joe Pack now bringing it up across midcourt. Double post. Pack bringing it back. Eric Bell, 3-pointer off the mark. Rebound. Montel Chapman quickly up the court. Brumfield taking it down the lane. And we're going to have a foul out of bounds pre the shot. Joe Pack called for the personal. Jordan Pitts checks out and Eric Bell checks out. 2:29 to go first quarter, 13-13. Lob pass for Pierre, knocked away by Vickers. Quickly up the court. Baseline attempt, and then out of bounds. Dribbles Cody Rudolph. Dunaway. Pitts on Dunaway. Matt Dunaway trying to get around, gets off the screen, looking inside, dumps it down. Chapman with the soft kiss off the glass, puts the Lions up by 2. Wilson dishes it off to Vickers, and Vickers knocks down the 3. Brumfield. Pull-up shot that goes in from Brister, good for 3. Full court pressure. Big effort right there by Mitch Brumfield, the junior, 5'9" junior, hitting the deck, trying to get the ball, goes out of bounds, however. Pitts to inbound for Salmon. Quickly in, Wilson. Coming up right side, goes behind the back, loses the handle, and it's going to be out of bounds. And Wilson called for the personal foul on that play. Nice job by Mitch Brumfield to get the steal and get the ball, I should say. Brumfield. Pierre in the lane. Pull up, fakes one way, turn around, jumper, good. Nate Pierre at 6'8", a senior with a decided height advantage. Knocks one down. Long shot off the mark by Pitts. Rebound, Montel Chapman. 4-point lead, under a minute. Pull-up shot off the mark. Rebound, Cody Rudolph. Wilson going to bring it up. Spartans hit a couple of threes early, but have gone stone cold. That shot on the drive draws a foul, and Mike Wilson will go to the line. Wilson 2 for 2 from the line. Salmon 3 of 4. Wilson misses on the first. He'll get a second. Corey Vincent checks in. And Joe Pack checks out. That one's good by Wilson. Covington up by 3, under 30 seconds now to go, first quarter. Dunaway holding it out. Down to 16 seconds. They're playing for one shot. Trying to get that height advantage with Montel Chapman down inside. This one being fronted down there by a much smaller, but that shot out of nowhere at the buzzer by Brumfield gets the Lions up 23-17 at the end of one. Covington will inbound to start the second quarter. First quarter, Salmon out to an early lead. They went stone cold, and Covington got the ball down inside and built a 6-point lead. We're at 23-17. That shot off the mark. Rebound, Chris Vickers quickly the other way. Pitts tried to get it down inside for Rudolph. It goes off of White, so it will be Salmon's basketball underneath the goal. Corey Vincent dumps it off to Vickers. Quickly across the way. Vincent off the mark. Rebound, Chapman. Covington scooping up all the boards on the defensive end, and Salmon they get one and done, really. They better make it. They better make some more. Chapman move inside, puts up a shot, draws a foul from Vickers. So Montel will go to the line. He had 8 in the first quarter. He's going to shoot 2. He's 2 for 2. Off the mark on the first one. Hall and Bell check back in along with Dwayne Williams. Pat Quave checks in for Covington, and Brister checks out. Montel Chapman will get a second shot. He's good on that one. 9 points for Chapman. 24-17. 7-point lead for the Lions. 7 minutes to go in the first half. Pitts over to Wilson, down inside. Turnaround shot by Williams is good. Dwayne Williams. Straight to the goal was Brumfield, but he missed the layup. Quickly the other way. Spartans not wasting time. Bell loses the handle on that one. Going to go out of bounds. Covington basketball. He was walking. Timeout, Coach Carlin. His team's down by 5 with 6:28 to go in the first half. Covington over Salmon. Dunaway will inbound after the timeout to Mitch Brumfield. Back to Dunaway, bringing it up the right side. Dunaway pulling it back out. Covington with a 5-point lead. Not in a hurry to attack the basketball right now. Just looking for something. The screen, Dunaway goes down in the lane, looks inside for Chapman, and that goes off of Chapman's hands, out of bounds. Full court pressure by the Lions. Bell. Eric Bell, you may remember in football, the speedy wide receiver for the Spartans. Now a guard out here. And that pass inside goes out of bounds. Covington basketball, Matt Dunaway going to walk it up as this track meet has slowed down a tad bit. Pat Quave now, left side, looking inside. Chapman making a move to the basket. He charged. Good defensive effort by Aaron Hall. One thing Coach Carlin has no shortage of is guards. Wilson kicks it out. Long shot by Hall, off the mark. Put back by Dwayne Williams. And that's what Coach Carlin's going to need, some inside presence. Williams can give him that and does give him that on that play. 3-point lead now for Covington. Knocked away, almost stolen by Pitts. Quave spots up, no. Rebound, put back attempt by Chapman is foul by Bell. .455 to go, first half. Chapman, good on the first of 2. He's got 10 in the game to lead all scorers. And his team is up by 4. Chance to put him up by 5 here. Off the mark on that. Quickly the other way, Wilson to Bell, puts up an errant 3-pointer. Run down by Aaron Hall, but not before he stepped out of bounds. Dunaway walks it up, left side. Brumfield. Chapman. Brumfield knocks it out. Montel Chapman stands still, 3-pointer. It's good. Chapman is en fuego. First half, pull-up jumper by Wilson off the mark. Rebound by Brumfield. Going to try to push it a little bit, and he does. Right down the lane, kick back out. Matt Dunaway off the mark. 7-point lead, but we have a foul on Dunaway. So Covington trying to give Salmon a little of its own medicine here by knocking down some threes and pushing the ball. Jordan Pitts inbounds. Mike Wilson dishes it off to Hall, back to Wilson. Williams, long three-pointer, knocked down. Dwayne Williams with 7 points here lately. This drive to the basket by Mitch Brumfield draws a whistle and a traveling. One step too many there by Mr. Brumfield. 4-point lead for the Lions. Wilson pressured by Dunaway. Pull-up shot by Wilson. 3 points, good. 1 point lead now for Covington as the Spartans have found a little. Oh, Montel. Chapman, another standstill three-pointer. Wow, nicely done there, 31-27. Inside for Dwayne Williams. And Williams and Chapman putting on a little bit of a show here in the middle of the second quarter. Mitch Brumfield. Drive to the basket by Brister and a foul. Brister on the charge. 2 point lead for the Lions with Jordan Pitts to inbound. 2:35 to go in the half. Full court pressure by the Lions. Wilson. Hall up for Williams. Dwayne Williams kind of short armed that one, pulled the trigger under pressure from Nate Pierre. No good, ball out of bounds. Off of Covington. Wilson will inbounds. Williams missed it, follows his shot, but Pierre gets the rebound. Up for Dunaway, down the lane, and draws the foul from Mike Wilson. Joe Pack will check back in for Salmon. Coach Carlin using at least 10 people off, trying to see who hasn't played. 9 players for Coach Carlin. Dunaway, good on the first. He's 3 for 3 from the line. Chance to go 4 for 4 and put his team up by 4. Splash down for Dunaway. 2:13 to go in the half. Wilson splits the full court pressure. Joe Pack fakes, and he's going to get called for the walk. Got to keep that pivot foot on the ground. Dunaway going to walk it up across midcourt. Brumfield takes the handoff. Brister, Dunaway off the mark, rebound. Joe Pack, and Pack's pushing it up the court. Dumps it off for Pitts. Stolen. Quickly the other way for Montel Chapman. And he finishes And Covington, just like that, have gone back ahead by 6. Pack, three-pointer, no good. Rebound, Williams dumps it off. Rebound, Vickers dumps it off for Williams. And we have a whistle and a foul. We have a timeout, I should say. 35-29, 1:16 to go in the first half. Covington up over the Salmon Spartans. It was 23-17 after one quarter, but the scoring has slowed up in this quarter. Both teams have 12. 35-29, a $1:10 to go in the first half. Chapman, the leading scorer in tonight's game so far. Brumfield back to Pierre. Pierre going to give it up to Chapman. And the Lions making sure they get a good shot. Drive inside, going to the basket, and a blocking foul called. One and one, so he was not in the act of shooting. So Brumfield, we're in the bonus, 1 and 1. And Mitch Brumfield at the line. He drains the first. He will get a second. And he knocks that one down. Brumfield with 5, his team up by 7. 42 seconds to go. Wilson over to Vickers, back to Wilson, inside for Williams. That pass was low from Pack. Bell and Cody Rudolph check back in as Williams and Pack check out with 35.1 seconds to go. In the first half, Brumfield. Nate Pierre in the lane, pull up, floater, no good. Chapman rebound, put back, no good. Chapman rebound, put back, good. Montel Chapman putting on a clinic inside against the Spartans. This is Wilson down to 12 seconds. Pitts, Wilson, 7-6 under. Better get a shot off. Wilson fakes, pull up, floater. No good, but a foul right before the whistle. Pierre called for the foul. They're going to shoot 2. And it's already halftime as the clock ran out on the play. Wilson misses on the first. He'll get a second. He makes the second. 39-30. The Covington Lions over Salmon at the half. Second half underway when Bell throws the ball inbounds to Williams. Back to Bell. Really good first half by the Covington Lions, in particular Montel Chapman with 20 points. Shot by Pitts off the mark, rebound Chapman. That's another thing he provided for the Lions in the first half. A lot of defensive rebounds, a presence inside, something the Spartans don't really match up height-wise with. Chapman over to Brumfield. Brumfield driving, puts up the shot. He's called for the charge. Mike Wilson picks up the charge. Wilson had 6 in the first half points. That shot off the mark. Rebound by Salmon. Back out to Mike Wilson. Shots from behind the three-point line have not been kind to the Spartans tonight. Inside, layup by Aaron Hall. His first 2 points of the game. Little weave pattern. This is Chapman going to the basket and draws the foul from Dwayne Williams. Williams has 10 to lead all Salmon scorers, as he and Chapman are the only two guys in double figures. Chapman misses on the first shot. Second shot by Chapman is good. He's 5 for 8 from the line. 21 points, 8-point lead. That one knocked out of bounds. 8-point lead by the homestanding Covington Lions. Wilson has to run it down in the backcourt, guarded by Dunaway. Covington man-to-man. Wilson goes inside. Pierre says, not this time, my friend, as he rejects it. Brumfield thinking about it, pulls it back out. Dunaway. Brumfield bringing it to the top of the key. Chapman looking for something inside. That pass Chapman does pick up. Covington trying to get it down on either block. That one a little farther away from the block. Williams on Pierre, back out to Dunaway. Brumfield, as Coach Smith wisely trying to get it down inside. Good defense by the Spartans. Forced that turnover right there. Wilson and Bell working a little overtime there defensively, forced the turnover. And Mike Wilson will walk it up. Hall. Pitts lost the handle, got it back. Bell gonna get whistled. Oh, foul called on that one on Jordan Pitts. Covington will inbound. Whistle. After cleaning the floor to get the water off, we'll redo it. We'll have a redo. Everybody loves a redo. 40-32, Covington. 4:58 to go, third quarter. Chapman knocks it down. 23 for him. Both teams have kind of come out in the second half cold. Nothing really, I would say a lot of defense going on. Wilson loses the handle, stolen by Brister. Quickly the other way, and Dunaway. So mistake. Turnovers, defense, and not the offensive firepower we saw early in the first half. Here in the third quarter, everything is slowed down. Wilson out, back in, kicks it out. Bell gonna take the three-pointer off the mark. Gotta think he was bothered by Chapman. Ball goes out of bounds. And it's going to be Covington basketball. 10-point lead. Chris Vickers checks in. For Salmon. Brumfield. Handoff Brister, back to Brumfield. Baseline drive, drops it inside for Chapman, and Chapman is good. 25 for Montel Chapman. The 6'3" senior. Definitely a wide body down there in the lane, has been cashing in big time, and the Salmon Spartans do not have an answer for him. Chapman good. 6 of 9 from the line, 45-32. Pull-up jumper, Wilson in the lane, off the mark. Put back by Williams, foul by Pierre. Dwayne Williams, who had 10 in the first half, and that's his first one in the second half. We'll get a second shot. Joe Pack checks in. Aaron Hall checks out. Williams, second shot. No good. 2 of 4 from the line. Rebound Pierre. Brumfield, we're going to bring it up. Screen and roll with Brister, gets nothing, but a pass back to Brister. Markel Jones, as they hand off back and forth. A little weave out front, drive, kick out, fake. Jones. Drive, baseline, put up the shot, and good. Mitch Brumfield. Brumfield's got 7. Coach Carlin's got a timeout with his team down 14 with 3:05 to go, third quarter. Corey Vincent to inbound. Wilson going to bring it up. Wilson down the lane, loses the handle on a pass. They're going to say it touched off a white jersey. Salmon basketball. No argument from Coach Smith, because that's not the kind of thing you do when you're up by 14. That one for Williams. Layup. Pierre Vincent, a lazy pass that Dwayne Williams could not get to, and Nate Pierre made him pay with an easy 2 on the other end. Inside. Williams trying to make a move. Reverse layup, no good. Loose ball. Spartans with 3 points in this quarter so far versus Covington for 10. Nate Pierre called for that foul. 16-point lead. Pack gets the inbound from Vincent. He's out of bounds. Bell about to check in the revolving door that is Spartan basketball apparently this year. 9 players. Chapman gets the inbound. Going to bring it up. Brumfield kicks it out. Excuse me, to Brister. Jones. Brumfield. Jones. Brumfield going to set it up at the point. And a hold call. Covington's basketball. Chapman gets the inbound from Brumfield, excuse me. Kicks it out to Brister. Over to Jones. Back to Brister. Chapman now coming out front to handle the basketball. Why not? He's going to be selling concessions in a minute because he's done it all tonight so far. Bell on Brister. Vincent, steal, layup, good. Corey Vincent, his first points. Covington quickly trying to go the other way. 5 points, and we got a foul. 5 points with 1:20 to go in the quarter. 5 points for the Salmon Spartans in this quarter. Conversely, 10 for Covington. That shot just buried right there, Brumfield. Mitch Brumfield's got 10, and it's 52-35. Pull-up shot by Williams, missed. Rebound by Rudolph, missed. That shot, good by Vickers. Vickers has 2 threes, and we're under a minute to go in the third quarter. Brister down the lane, and he draws the blocking foul. Chapman's got 26 to go with Brumfield's 10, and it's 52-38. Brister can add to his 3. Not that way. He'll get a second one. Or that way either. 0 for 2 right there by Brister. 52-38. Bell, pull-up jumper. Rebound. Kick back out. 3 seconds in the lane. Called. Wow, that's a rarity. Brister. Jeremy Harr gonna hand it off to Markel Jones. Montel Chapman. Chapman in the lane, puts up a shot. Chris Vickers challenges, blocks the shot. Spartans going the other way. Good hold up right there by Rudolph. He's got 6, 52-40, and that'll end the third quarter with the Covington Lions up by 12 over Salmon here in Covington. Fourth quarter underway. Covington with a 12-point lead. 9-point lead at the half. They extended it out by 3 in that quarter. Both teams slowed down offensively in that quarter. Pull-up jumper rejected right there. Harr. Jump ball called on that. Vincent inbounds. Wilson gonna bring it up. Dunaway on him. Vincent closed out there by Pat Quave, and Vincent stepped out of bounds. Turnover, 7:14 to go in this one. Covington, good pressure defense. Brister, Har, stolen by Bell. And he draws the foul. Some good defense in the second and third quarter by Covington. And the offensive force of Montel Chapman, who's tallied 26, just checked back in the game. He's got half of his team's points. This one inbounds Vincent. Call for the over and back. Brumfield to inbound. Dunaway. Spartans much more reliant on the three this year than previous years with the smaller lineup. Look at that nice drive by Brister, and who's there for the rebound? Good effort, though, by Chris Vickers. Quickly the other way. Rudolph trying to kick it back out. Bell, Vincent dishes, whistle. Another 3 seconds. Full court pressure by the Spartans. 6:35 to go in this one. We got a timeout. It's 52-40. Covington over Salmon. Covington to inbound. They go full court. That shot up and goes. Brumfield has 12. Mitch Brumfield puts his team up by 14. This one down inside. Turnaround shot off the glass by Rudolph, draws a foul. Brister commits the foul. And Cody Rudolph will go to the line. He misses on the first. That one's good. Chapman. Quave. Blocking foul. Not sure I'd agree with that one, but doesn't really matter. He'll be in the bonus. Quave, good on the first, which means he will get a second. He misses on that one, 55-41. 6:08 to go. That shot off the mark. Rebound, Dunaway. Chapman. Pressure, gets it to Chapman, inside, and Brister. 9 points in the second half, 14 in the game. Wilson can't finish. Chapman rebound. Brister, Quave. Quave dishes it out. Brister, three-pointer, no good. Rebound, Bell. Bell gets around, pull-up shot, draws a foul. Joe Pack about to check back in along with Jordan Pitts. Bell to go to the line. Bell misses on the first. Misses on the second. Rebound. Williams kicks back out. Bell puts up a long three-pointer. Rebound. Jeremy Harr. Good hustle down there by Eric Bell to get that turnover and get the ball to Wayne Williams. Spartans 6 of 14 from the free throw line. Williams gets the first. And the second. Williams 13 in the game, 3 in the second half, all on foul shots. 15-point lead now for Covington. 5 minutes to go. Full court pressure, and we got a timeout on the sideline here by Coach Smith with Dunaway bottled up by 2 defenders. 4:57 to go in this one. 14-point lead for the Lions. Dunaway to inbounds after the timeout. Brister back to Dunaway. Inside, free ball. Dwayne Williams comes up with it. Pack up ahead to Bell. Pull up jumper off the mark. Rebound, Nate Pierre. Dunaway. Drive. Montel Chapman with the one-handed putback. That pass out of bounds off of Covington. Pierre got a hand on it. Lions looking like they're in mid-season form here against the Spartans. (59-43). Wilson. Wilson gets it back from Pitts. Bell driving. He took too many steps. That wasn't called. Williams puts up a shot twice, doesn't get it. Montel Chapman, another rebound. This one for Chapman. Pull up, charging foul on Montel Chapman. I think that may have been the one thing he's done wrong all night. He's been in fuego. He may have, I haven't been keeping his rebounds, but he's got to be close to a double-double in that area. 28 points. Pack inbounds to Wilson. Back to Pack, full court pressure still. Bell between 2 defenders, dishes it off, and stepping out of bounds or a foul. Pierre on the foul. I think he's fouled out on that one. He has, as he's headed to the bench. .337 to go. Covington fell behind early in the first quarter, rallied and went ahead after a torrid first quarter by both teams. They were up by 6. That shot good by Rudolph. He'll get another. They extended their lead out to 9 by halftime, by 12 at the end of 3 quarters, and they're up 15 right now. 15 right now, correct. After that made basket. 59-45. Make that 14. What is it? It's 2 more points. It's 61-45, 16-point lead. Had a little math breakdown there. Momentarily, I would say. Rebound, Montel Chapman. Early lesson from this first game of the Prep Zone season. Brister. The Spartans, if the Spartans are going to have some board help, Rudolph with that one. And that shot by Pitts is off the mark. The Spartans are going to need some board help from somewhere. Williams, Vickers, Rudolph are going to have to provide that consistently. And they're going to have way many more three-pointers fall than did tonight. Sometimes when you live by the three-pointer, you can die by the three-pointer. Conversely, over at Covington, a good job defensively tonight by them, and a good job of using Montel Chapman inside with Nate Pierre. Brumfield and Dunaway, pretty good guards to help out, to match up with that. So will they be a force to be reckoned with in District 6-5A? They have the last couple of seasons. We'll see. Quave. Jones. Jones to Quave. Back to Jones. Dunaway. Just taking time off the clock. What's the rush? Brister. Under pressure. Inside. Chapman. Easy 2. Chapman with 10 in this half, 30 in the game. Wilson from downtown, no good. Rebound, Mitch Brumfield. Brumfield. Chapman. That one's knocked out of Chapman's hand by Bell. Aaron Hall picks it up. Hall's going to have to provide some inside help too. Vickers about to check back in with Hall at the line. I'd say one other thing for Coach Carlin's playbook would be some extra work on the foul shooting. Hall, second chance. Misses 2. Right down the lane, coast to coast. Matt Dunaway, 65-46, 19. Wilson rejected by Chapman. Montel Chapman, get that out of here. To Mike Wilson. That shot by Vincent blocked, but it goes out of bounds off a Covington player. So Corey Vincent will inbound. Inside. Turnaround shot by Hall. Draws a foul, and Aaron Hall will go to the line. Bristow about to check back in, and Dylan Smith about to do the same for Salmon. Hall, good on the first one. Second one for Hall. He's got 4 on 2 of 4 from the line with a bucket. 65-48, a buck 26 to go in this one. The Lions up big. Dunaway to inbounds with a buck 26 to go. Dunaway, right by Pack. Loose ball. Chapman draws the foul. Foul on Aaron Hall. And Montel Chapman will go to the line to add to his leading scorer stats, possibly. No, he doesn't, as he misses on the 1-on-1. 30 points still, though. Shot left-handed by Vickers, no good. Put back is good. Timeout. 15-point lead for the Lions with a buck 9 left to go. Dunaway to inbounds, a buck 9 to go. We have a whistle, stop and play. And a foul on Dylan Smith. Markel Jones will go to the line. Jones drains the first one. He will get a second one. In and out, no good, and off of Salmon. Covington basketball. Jones will inbound. Vincent got his hand on the ball. It goes out of bounds, however. Still Covington basketball. Dunaway. Pack on the foul. After scoring 17 in the first quarter, Spartans have only mustered up 10 and 10 in, 13, 10, and 10 in the last quarter. Credit the Covington defense for some of that. Right down the lane as we have a foul with Pack going to the line. 2 shots for Pack. Joe Pack. Pack misses on the first. He will get a second. And the second. Whistle. Rister will go to the line as Covington pushed it all up the court real fast, got off a shot, drew the foul. Rister good on the first. He'll get a second. Misses. Rebound, Corey Vincent. Vincent looking up. Taking it to the hoop, and we got a whistle again. Aaron Hall at the line. He misses. He'll get a second. He misses. He'll get a second try, but right now, if my statistical data is correct, the Spartans have missed 14 foul shots. $67-50, 24 seconds to go in this one. Covington Lions are going to take away from this. A nice victory, push them to 3-1 in the preseason. 67-50, the final. Covington wins it. Got to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foles, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, a cameraman, editor, and the coordinator of Channel 13. Tonight with me, Dave the Ray Williams. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.